got my film lady on the old camera, guys. You just seen me wearing this shirt in the last video. It's because it's the same day. We went down to the date farm. Today's Valentine's Day. But we're gonna, you guys remember this, the belt knife. They said that in the Sturgis video when they interviewed me for, what was that, New York Post?
New York Times.
New York Times. They said I've carried my knife and my gun on my hip. Anyway, this is what me and Vicky got each other more or less for Valentine's Day. She don't need diamonds and I don't need a necktie. Now let's see what we got in here. Oh, that's a big box for that. Now we'll get down to what we got here. There we go. Oh, yeah. What we got here is a... Can you see that, Vicky? There we go. We got a new faucet for the sink in there. The other one is giving up the ghost. So I'm hoping I got all the connections and everything for this to put it together. I think I do. And that's what this video is going to be about. Installing this. I think it'll be great. A nice addition to Vicky's kitchen. And her galley. You like it so far?
I was trying to see if that's the one I ordered.
I hope so. The one I'm putting in. Here, I'll take it out.
Yep, that's the right one.
That's the right one?
Yeah.
You see, this goes up
okay. Yeah.
Well, this ain't magnetic like the others. But I guess you put a weight on it. It'll be okay. Got the weight.
That reminds me of something.
Okay, we're going to cut it right there. All right. You can cut it. We're done.
We're done?
We're done.
Over and out?
Over and out. Are we recording, dear? Hey, she shut the camera off at my request. And then she started rattling on some stuff. She ordered this. I didn't even see it. I just told her that one would fit, that one would fit, and then she ordered the one she liked. And we got this from Amazon. I don't know. I don't need to know the brand name. I bet it's here somewhere. I don't like it when they don't put a brand name on it. Huh.
Had a 5-star rating.
Yeah. Said it had all the tools with it.
Said
with
it
with
was
screwdriver.
well put together, high quality, not cheap plastic parts like so many of them. So.
And this one is not even saying a brand name, but the brand name, I don't even know what it was.
I don't remember. I put in RV kitchen faucets.
And anyway, it was only 60 bucks.
It's on the box, probably. Is it on the outside of the box?
I don't see it on the box. Let me back it back up and look. I know it had a name with it, you'd think. Oh, I'm like putting a wet noodle back into a dry socket. There we go. Let's see if we got a name on the outside. I got a number over here, but no name. But Vicky checked out the reviews. No name. I don't like that. We were looking at Delta faucets and they were rather spendy. Anyway, we'll pull up the name and I'll put it right here. Where you pointing at?
They're going over to look at that house.
Who's they?
I don't know. Are you all done, dear?
I'm all done, dear.
Okay. Over and out.
Over and out.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. Sayonara. Hey, part 2. Nothing comes apart the way it's supposed to. You can see I had to use bolt cutters to cut that off because when this is supposed to screw out of here, it falls down that way. Well, the threads were boogered up here, and I think I did it. So it started unscrewing out of the faucet. And when it started unscrewing out of the faucet, it was a two-man job. I had my helper on it right there. She was on it. She was twisting up and I was holding it. Anyway, we got this down here, but then we couldn't get all this stuff up through that hole right there. So I had to cut one off. Once I did, give me enough room to pull them through. So if you have that problem, that's what you do, is get rid of one and you get rid of the rest. And as you can see, I tried to cut the steel braided. Steel braided line does not cut that well. Now then, all we got to do is drop the new one down through there, supposedly. I had to go get some adapters, some fittings. That's what these will be. And they should screw right in, and it should be easy from here on. What?
Famous last words. It should be easy from here on.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, I'm going to put her together. This thing here just fits right down through there, that hole. Slides in, and you tighten it all up. So let's see what we got going on. I'll show you the difference here. See, this has a solid nut on it. So you had to put it on, nut it up. Well, that ain't no, that's good. That's a good way to do it too. This one here has a slice in it, so it'll go over the holes is easier. And then we put that up. This goes up on the, from what the destruction says. This goes up here against here, and then this goes underneath it, and then these screws, once you get this up, you take the screws and snug it down so it don't twist around on you. That's from what I understand. Anyway, that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to put that in there. Vicky just took the other stuff out to the trash. She can't handle stuff. Hopefully this all fits through that hole. If not, I'm screwed. Well, there's what it'll look like when we get her done. It just dropped right through there so far. The little rubber thing is down in that hole. Now we'll put all this stuff here underneath, tighten it up, then hook everything up, and I think that'll look pretty sharp. We got black appliances, and now we got that. I think that'll work. Next step. Okay, I backed these screws all the way out so this can go up flush against that steel washer. Get that as tight as I can that way, because there ain't no head on this, you can see. So we're going to take that up good and tight. Then these we'll finish snugging it in, and it won't move around any. I'll need my assistant to make sure it's perfectly straight, and I know she'll do that. Here we go. Are you going to do that again? There he goes. Hey, down here. Right here, this thing will come with your kit. Well, what this does, if you haven't figured it out yet, this is your weight. It pulls this thing back and forth. Otherwise, they just hang there. You put that on your weight. Now, what I'm going to have Vicky do is she's going to pull this out to the place she would want it. I'm going to stick the weight up on top. So then she does this, and then the weight will pull it naturally back down when she lets go. Well, that's what we're going to do right now. The water is hooked up, and it's not leaking. That's a good thing. Okay, dear. That's it for that. Are you going to do that? There you go. Hey, well, we got her done. Here's the weight I was telling you about. Now then, if you watch this, it'll go up when she pulls on it, up there. And then when she lets go of the water deal, pulls it up in there. That's where it goes. Now you can measure this and get it perfectly where you want it, or you can just follow the instruction, and it's got a mark on here where it says put the weight. Alright, we got way too much of this. But luckily, I can shove that back in there, like so, and shove this one back in there too, and that'll get rid of part of it. And if I want to, I could fasten that in there, which I probably will, so it isn't on the way here. And this is how I got to do it, guys. If you could get on your knees to do this stuff, it'd be a lot easier, but I can't. So I just got to scoot around on my butt to do things. But it works. She's happy with it. And that's that. That's how to put one of these on. It's real easy. If you can get to the back. If you don't have these back doors here, oh my gosh, call a plumber. Anyway, that's it for now, guys and girls. Hope this helped you out.
Turned out real nice. Yep. Nicely done, dear.
Thank you, dear. I always make you happy.
This is how-
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
This is how a turtle gets up.
Oh, you could have filmed that. Okay, guys, you want to see how I got to get up? Okay. Can't put my knees. My knees hurt if I put them on the ground, so I got to get up like this. Ah. And if you do that enough times every day, you don't want to do it that many times. Okay, now can we cut? Are you done? Goodbye.